Hello, I'm David Hester. This is my second video, and we're talking about the table of success. And there's four legs on this table. This table's just like any other table. And if we apply pressure to a table and one of its legs is weak, the table will fall apart. So today I'm going, and the other day we were going over the table of success, and the four legs of this table are motivation, fuel, exercise, rest, and stress management. And I'd like to talk to you about two of the four legs of the table of success today. Let's look at number one, motivation. We all need plenty of reasons to keep ourselves motivated. And, these reasons can even change over time. What we need to realize and understand is why it is that we want to live longer. Why is it that we want to feel better? Why is it that we want to look better? Just as kind of a short testimony, the answer to those questions for me is so that I can longer share the gospel of Yeshua, called Jesus today. I want to be able to share the gospel. And, the other reason is so I don't have to spend huge amounts of money in the hospital because I've had some sort of lifestyle disease like a heart attack or a stroke. I don't mind paying a little bit more now to get good foods and to purchase supplements, to invest in my health, so that I don't have to be in the hospital for all of my retirement years. The second leg of the table of success is fuel. Now, just think of an automobile. Our bodies are very much like automobiles because we need proper fuel in order to function optimally. And you see, today a lot of what we eat is this overly processed food. And the problem with this is that it's got so many calories and it doesn't have any real nutrition. A guideline that I have is if it's in a box, then don't eat it. Your goal when shopping at the grocery store should be to avoid those center aisles. Try to purchase all of your foods from the outer perimeter of your grocery store. Your fresh fruits and vegetables, your free-range organic meats, and so forth. Another problem that we have, number one problem is processed foods. Number two problem would be that we're eating a lot of junk. We're eating a lot of things that were never designed to be food to begin with. An example would be like pork or shellfish. It's my recommendation that we look to what the Bible calls food. Look to the Bible's book of Genesis, chapter 1 and verse 29. Look to the Bible's book of Leviticus, chapter 11. And look to the Bible's book of Deuteronomy, chapter 14. In those chapters, you will learn exactly what we were designed to eat. I believe that it's following God's dietary instructions that's the key to good health as human beings. There's so many diet fads on the market today. And we don't have to chase after the latest fad diet. All we have to do is look to the simple dietary guidelines that were given to us by Yahweh in the scripture. Now, if you've been eating poorly for a number of years, your body's probably going to react negatively to the introduction of these healthier foods. Now, there's a secret to avoiding this negative reaction, and that's to slowly reintroduce your body to good nutrients. And the best way that I found to sneak in good nutrients is to start taking a multiple vitamin. And as your bodily, I've done a retake on this like 4 times, and I keep saying bodily, but as your body gradually takes in nutrients from this multiple vitamin, the supplements, it's going to be less resistant to the changes that you're making in other aspects of your diet. Now, on the left column of my website, I offer the Healthy Fix products to our visitors. The reason I offer these Healthy Fix products, and there's a whole whole list of product lines I could have affiliated with, but the reason I offer these Healthy Fix products is I found them to be some of the greatest products on the market. And I just loved how they've been specially designed for your success. But there's plenty of information on these products here on our website. Now, 80% of your body is water. As Americans, we drink Pepsi. We drink Coke. We drink tea, especially if you're in the South. And we need to be drinking more water. That's 80% of our body. And it's my opinion that water is the #1 health substance known to man. The bottom line is you should be drinking at least half of your body weight in ounces of water daily. And I believe that if you do these things, if you take the multiple vitamin and you drink half of your body weight in ounces of water daily, that you're going to avoid a multitude of health problems. Now, I realize that this is going to take some getting used to. You don't have to adopt this lifestyle overnight. But you should start with taking a multiple vitamin and start to slowly develop the habit of drinking good distilled water. The last thing that I'd like to cover today is oxygen. Our body needs oxygen to survive, and this is where getting outdoors is important. Deep breathing exercises will help us get more of this essential fuel to the trillions of little cells in our body. And soon, I plan to make a video on, a demonstration video on some of the deep breathing exercises that I practice, so that you will have an example of some ways that you can add deep breathing to your daily routine. So we've covered 2 of the 4 legs of the table of success today, and stay tuned, because our next video will be completing our series on the table of success. Thanks for watching, and the Lord bless you.